Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Lloyd from Nagr branch. In this class, I will tell you the simple drawing with front view and top view, and I will create a simple drawing to show you front view and top view how it shows. And first, I will take circle. $200 is the diameter, 100 is the radius of circle. Again, take axis line, I can take center, $150 is the BCD. 150 is the BCD. Take diameter circle 150 and it converts as axis line. Go to other, take load, take center 0.5x or center. Okay, again click OK. And again take 56 diameter circle. Diameter circle, and again take 3 holes like 20 to 20.3 circles. .3 and go to polar array and select this object, enter, and select this center point. Select 3 items. Select 3 items, close array. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 20.3 diameter, 3 holes like 150 BCD. So this is the front view of butterfly wall assembly retainer. This is the front view of butterfly wall assembly retainer. Name it dimensions of the retainer. Front view. Increase the scale, size, and move it. On given suitable dimensions. 200 is the outer circle. Axis line is 150 BCD. And these 3 holes are 20.3 mm holes. And this center circle is 56 diameter circle. Next, top view. Next one is retainer top view. Take a line take a line. Ortho mode on. Hundred, 25, 200, 25, 100. Escape. The holes are 25 mm depth. Take a line. Mark the center lines. Offset it 20.3 divided by 2. 10.11.5. Take calculator. 20.3 divided by 2. 10.15. 10.15. Again select. This one and this one mirror to center line. Mirror to center line. And delete these two lines. And this circle also deep of 25 mm, like depth of 25 mm. Select this 56 divided by 2. 56 divided by 2. Again calculate this 56 divided by 2 is equal to 28. 28. Escape. Delete this. This is the top view of retainer. This is the top view of retainer. This is the center axis line. Again copy. These three lines are center axis lines. This is the top view of retainer. Again dimension it 25 mm. This is 200 mm. This is the top view of retainer. Top view of retainer. This is the top view of retainer. This is the front view of retainer. So this is the difference between front view and top view. This is the front view. This one is top view of retainer. Thank you for everyone watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel. Thank you.